Ang main tema ay Anchored in Hope, Pilgrims with Young People. At ang aming inspirasyon ay base sa mga simbolo ng hope. Ang lighthouse, ang mga bituin, ang Holy Spirit, ang church, at mas lalo na ay ang anchor.
We can use eco-friendly materials, and or we can recycle, like what we did. We use plastic bottles and such to create a design for the parole. Dapat may light.
Paano yan? Diyan na talaga yan?
Sana may
Currently in the parole making, Bosconians are not actually only showcasing their creativity, but they are also currently showcasing their technical skills, the technical skills that they have actually learned on their technical subjects and technical shops.
Regarding sa teamwork ng section namin, sobrang proud na proud ako kasi kitang-kita namin yung pagtutulungan ng bawat isa. Bawat isa may naiaambag, may nagko-contribute. Maliit man o malaki, pero pag napagsama-sama kasi yun, sobrang laking tulong nun para matapos namin yung parol na pinagandaan at pinaghirapan ng bawat isa sa amin.